Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Welcome to MD Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to use keyboard inputs in JavaScript. Okay, for start we need new folder, then we need new file in our text editor, and we will type index.html. We want to save in our new folder. Okay, now we need one more new file and we will save like style.css. Okay, new file again, and we will type main.js. Okay, now we need a basic template for HTML. Okay, we need head section, we need title, we will type MD tutorials, then we need a link to link style.css, we need body section, and we need script to link our main.js. Okay, now we need one div element with ID, and I will say cube. Now save this. Let's style this cube, guys. Okay, cube. I will say width 100 pixel. I will say height 100 pixel. We need background color. I don't know, maybe this one. We need border. I will say 2 pixel solid gray. Okay, we need position absolute. I will say top property 150 pixel, and I will say left property 300 pixel. Let's save this. Let's see how this look on our page. Okay, this is our development. Now I want to show you how with one press on your keyboard you can move this element. You can, I don't know, separate this element, how to change color on this. Let's see how with I don't know, with the press on space bar you can change color of this element. First we must find position of our space bar, and we will say document dot get element by ID cube. Okay, we need add event listener, we need key down, and we need one function, and that function have a name, and we will call it, I don't know, change. Okay, function change e parameter. Now how to this is the way how to find position of our space bar. We will type alert e dot which. Okay, let's see position of our space bar. Position is 32. Okay, we will type if statement, if e dot which double equal 32, then change your color to I don't know, maybe blue. Okay, let's see, is this working? No, it's not. I don't know why. Let's see. Document cube, key down, change e style color blue. I don't know why. Let's see this. Oh, it's background color, not color, so we will delete color and we will type background color. Let's save this, let's refresh. L, and that's it. That's all for today, guys. You will see how you manipulate your keyboard in JS. If you like this video, you can like, you can subscribe. Thank you, see you soon, bye bye.